Very happy morning everyone. Today's weather report is brought to you by Wilson of Grade 9 Topaz. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius, mostly cloudy, air quality good, wind speed 71 km per hour, humidity 86%, precipitation 5%. Thank you.
Everyone, today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade 9 Topaz. And I am Satvik of Grade 9 Topaz, brought to you by International and National News. International News. Israel warns of intensifying attacks against Hezbollah in South Lebanon. National News. Supreme Court to hear trade-offs case on November 3rd. Chief Secretaries of State and UTS to appear in court. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by M. Ramcharan Reddy from Grade 9 Topaz. State news. Plans to make Hyderabad a creativity hub city to host the regional center of IICT. Sport news. Women's World Cup final. India versus South Africa. India won by 52 runs. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians, my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by SVJ from Grade 9 Topaz. Thought. Problems are the part of life and facing them is an art of life. I repeat my thought. Problems are the part of life and facing them is an art of life. Thank you. Have a joyful Monday.
This is Environment from Grade 9 Topaz. Brought to you a word felicitous. Well chosen or suited to circumstances, pleasing and fortunate. Friends, please spell after me. Felicitous. 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 Thank you and have a nice day.
Today's GK questions on current affairs are brought to you by Ramcharan Tej and Vivek Sagar from Grade 9 Topaz. Question for Grade 7. The International Saraswati Mahotsav was recently inaugurated in which state? I repeat my question. The International Saraswati Mahotsav was recently inaugurated in which state? No, you did not pick any answer and the answer is Haryana. Question for Grade 8. Which Indian female cricketer was appointed as DSP in UP Police? I repeat my question. Which Indian female cricketer was appointed as DSP in UP Police? No, you did not pick any answer and the answer is Deepti Sharma. Question for Grade 8. Which state has made leprosy a notifiable disease? I repeat my question. Which state has made leprosy a notifiable disease? Yes, sir. No, you did not pick any answer and the answer is Maharashtra. Open questions will be continued by my friend Vivek.
Happy morning everyone. Myself Vivek sir from to say open question. Which Indian state launched the Subhadara Space Scheme to promote women's empowerment? I repeat my question. Which Indian state launched the Subhadara Space Scheme to promote women's empowerment? You did not pick the right answer and the answer is Odisha. When was the World Leprosy Day celebrated in 2025? I repeat my question. When was the World Leprosy Day celebrated in 2025? You did not pick the right answer and the answer is 26 Jan 2025. Thank you.
Being a lecturer of Grade 9 Topaz. Now I am here to speak about a subject that shapes the very foundation of our understanding world. Social science. Social science is not another board of study. It studies the human society, behavior and relationship. It helps us explore how people interact, live and they build communities. Subjects like geography, history, political science, economics, sociology and psychology comes together to form this broad umbrella to give us deeper insight of our world. Through history we learnt our past, through geography we learnt our environment, and through political science we learnt our politics. Thank you.
A pleasant morning to everyone present here. I am Vishnu from Grade 9 Tapas. Today, I would like to speak about Bhai Dooj, a beautiful festival that celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. This Bhai Dooj, the festival was celebrated after Dasara and it was very similar to Raksha Bandhan. On this day, the sisters pray for God that for long life and happiness of their brothers. And brothers gives gifts to their sister and they also promise to their sister that they will protect their sister. This festival is celebrated with full of love, laughter and delicious sweets. On this day, the brothers and sisters, they will enjoy a lot and this festival reminds the importance of love, family and togetherness. This festival teaches how to stand by our loved ones and share the bond that makes our life special. Thank you.